Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice 5-drawer Tallboy dresser that we're going to redo, bring back to life. So follow along as we take everything apart and sand it down and bring it back to life. Alright, our first step is going to take all the drawers out. We're going to look at the drawers, see if anything needs to be wood puttied, look at the subframe, make sure everything goes in nicely, see what we need to sand, see what needs to be fixed, and do all that. First, we got to get these handles off. Alright, we've got it all taken apart. Everything looks pretty strong. So what we're going to do is we're going to start sanding it down. Got my DeWalt hand sander using 120 grit. We're going to do the frame, which is in good condition. Just going to give it some light scuffs wherever there's marks or scratches. Clean them up, and then we'll start working on these drawers. Alright, so it's all vacuumed out, wiped down. Now we can apply our paint. For this project we're going to use our Behr Prime Plus 1. It's just a primer and paint all in one. It's going to be a nice dark black that we're going to put on here. Everything's a nice flat surface, so it's going to be really easy to paint. Do the edges, do the top, then we'll start working on the frame. Put 2 coats on, give it a nice thick coat on it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, to finish it off, we're going to put our polyurethane on it with a whisk brush here, nice easy. Do 1 coat, let it dry, put the hardware on, and we can get some pictures of this thing completed. Alright, here it is completed, our 5-drawer, all black Tallboy dresser. I like how it came out. I like these little handles, in fact. So, if you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some cool projects like this.